Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Ecovacs Winbot W3 Omni, a game-changing window cleaning robot that's been making waves in the tech community. The Winbot W3 Omni is a small suction-secured roving washing pad that traverses windows to clean from edge to edge, and it's packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone with large windows. The design and build of the Winbot W3 Omni are top-notch, with a portable power/docking station that makes it easy to use and store. The robot is powered by a small battery that sits in the back, and a display on the top gives a rough estimate of usage time before it needs to be recharged. In terms of specs and performance, the Winbot W3 Omni is a beast, with several modes that allow you to customize your cleaning experience. The thorough cleaning mode is perfect for outside-facing glass, and the heavy-duty mode is great for tough stains and grime. One of the standout features of the Winbot W3 Omni is its new true-edge scrubbers, which get as close as possible to the edge of the window for a deep clean. There have been some rumors and leaks about the Winbot W3 Omni, but now that it's been officially released, we can confirm that it's a real game-changer. The expected release date and price for the Winbot W3 Omni are still unclear, but we'll be sure to keep you updated as more information becomes available. In our verdict, the Ecovacs Winbot W3 Omni is a must-have for anyone with large windows, and it's a great addition to any smart home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. We'll catch you guys in the next video. The Winbot W3 Omni is a revolutionary new product that's going to change the way we clean our windows forever, and we're excited to see what the future holds for this technology. With its advanced features and sleek design, the Winbot W3 Omni is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning game. So, what do you guys think about the Ecovacs Winbot W3 Omni? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. We'll see you guys in the next video.